Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whichever time of the day it is for you. This is Two Left Thumbs. As you know, I hardly ever talk on this stuff. I've always thought too many opinions may irritate. But here's what I got. I have two Axial Yetis. Yes, both are unhooked up. And I got to have LEDs all over my... Shh, I didn't want to get the cussing. But that's the way I am. I gotta have that full effect. So they're both bashers. I even got LEDs in the guy's eyes, you can tell. A little more angle, wait a while to adjust. Both guys have today, oh, this was a kit, so it didn't come with the interior. But I am running side windings in both of them. Both of them 3800. This for me and my son. We kind of race them a little bit. Here's the deal. I bought sound bars. And one of the sound bars I bought was the Traxxas onboard audio. See? This is the top part of it. I have them mounted inside, up underneath. Oh, actually, up under the part right there they go. Well, have an issue. What do you think they sound like? So here is the Traxxas. You gotta throttle it real hard. Now that wasn't me. It does it itself. So I guess that's where it maybe time itself or something or adjust itself. But here it is again. Started it up again. Now I'm gonna give it gas. Throttle. That's not me. I'm at one smooth pace. Now I'm gonna give it throttle. So I guess it really don't sound bad, but I'm not throttling it. Let's try it one more again. Now I'm gonna throttle it. That's me. That's me. I guess that's not bad. That's not me. I'm holding the camera, got one hand, but it turned itself off. That was good. Now let's check out Sen'se ESS-ONE by Team Associated. Here we go. Starting it up. For one thing, I don't really have to throttle it hard just to start it up. And listen to this one. I got multiple sounds in this one. I can change the sounds in this one. On this one, no, you only got that one tone. On this one over here, I can change the tone. Now listen to the throttle response. Start off slow to make it catch up with the sequence. low speed, you don't really get much. gun it. The supercharger. Hit the drag brakes. Let's try that other one more time. Had to get the run pretty hard. Oh wait, it caught up. That's Traxxas for you. I'm gonna see if I can do them two times, both at the same time. Now, mind you, I'm holding the camera myself. No, that's not me. Oh, because it's shutting itself down. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna do them both at the same time. Well, guys, that's it. ESS-ONE. It's by Sen'se and Traxxas. See, Traxxas shuts itself off. Try to see if it shuts itself off. Let's see. Still going. Still going. Still going. Well, I guess we're never gonna know the day if it turns itself off. I don't have all that time. But what do you guys think about the sound quality? Your choice when you go out to buy this stuff. This costs $100. Traxxas system costs about 60 bucks. You get that on Amazon. Guess it's never gonna shut itself down. No worries.